Life doesn't always go as planned, does it? मुंबई से वापस आने के बाद again I took a big risk and I went to Pune with big dreams, passion and endless drive to build something meaningful. But as life has it, कभी-कभी सब उल्टा हो जाता है. Unforeseen circumstances turned everything upside down. It was a gamble and I lost. Pune was over and I had to leave. No choice, just heartbreak. वापस घर आना ये भी आसान नहीं था. शेरू, my best friend, had passed away just few weeks back. That void जो अब हमेशा के लिए पूरा नहीं हो सकता. To make things worse, my village was hit with its first ever terrifying flood.
Meanwhile, on Friday, Chief Minister Manik Saha visited the flood-affected areas of Udaipur in the Gomati district, which have been severely damaged due to heavy rains.
Ma and Baba had faced that disaster alone. I was shattered, emotionally drained, but for my parents, at least my coming back was a relief. They had gone through enough, balancing everything on their own. बस जैसे मेरी कहानी कम ट्रेजिक थी, एक और फोन कॉल आया. Mom told me that Baba had fallen down from the stairs and fractured his leg. और कितना बुरा हो सकता है? But this time my presence mattered. Mom couldn't have managed everything alone. Baba's health, though, it's fragile. Every step for his treatment needed extra caution. We chose an Ayurvedic way. ये डॉक्टर एकदम अलग दुनिया का लगता था. Hidden deep in the jungle in a remote village, he used ancient remedies. Herbal paste wrapped so delicately on Baba's leg. 5 weeks and slowly Baba began to heal. He's walking now. There's still some swelling, but he's getting better. Between all the chaos, एक अजीब सा सुकून था. माँ बाबा के साथ घर के कामों में हाथ बटाना, feeding the cows, taking care of the things around the house. But inside, I was still lost, still hopeless. सपने तो अब भी थे, पर रास्ता दिख नहीं रहा था. फिर एक दिन होप मिला, या शायद मैंने खुद बनाया. I started a skateboarding community right here in my village, Jungle Will. 15 kids sharing 5 boards, और उनकी खुशी वो तो प्राइसलेस है. 2 महीने में ये बच्चे बोर्ड के ट्रेम्बलिंग फर्स्ट स्टेप से टिक टैक्स और ऑलिस तक पहुंच गए. सीइंग देम प्रोग्रेस, देयर चीयर्स, देयर लाफ्टर, वो एक अलग ही एनर्जी है. इट्स मैजिकल. जंगल विल बिकेम माई रीजन टू स्माइल, माई न्यू पर्पस. मुझे पता चला ये जर्नी सिर्फ मेरी नहीं है, अब ये जंगल विल की जर्नी है. हेल्पिंग दिस किड्स ग्रो, शोइंग देम न्यू पॉसिबिलिटीज, इट्स बिगर देन मी नाउ. And honestly, that's what I needed to move forward. अब मुझे पता है कहीं तो पहुंचना है. अब समझ आया है कि जो स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए थी वापस उठने के लिए, वो यही मेरे गांव के इन जंगल में छुपी हुई थी. सपने फिर से जीने का वक्त आ गया है. Let's break limits. Let's dream again.